So the family rules is something that is so near and dear to my heart because when I was about 19 years old and walked into therapy for the first time with my therapist, who's now my mentor, she had the family rules up on her wall. And I remember probably in my first session ever in therapy just really being transfixed on them because every one of them really resonated with me. And when we started to do some work with them of trying to figure out how the rule was true in childhood and how the rule still ran me in the present, like that was kind of a mind-blowing experience to be able to put some dots together and figure out how I behave, why I do, or how I think or feel about things or deal with my feelings about things as related to all the unspoken stuff that happened in my family. So it was I really love this exercise. So what you do is there is in this e-course, there is a PDF and then accompanied by 2 videos where they're kind of long, they're on the long side, and there are 19 of these dysfunctional family rules. And what you do is you do some journaling, some work around how the rule was true for you growing up, and to think about, and I help you guys giving some concrete examples throughout the videos, how that is still true in your adulthood. You don't have to identify with all 19 rules, so how I recommend doing it is you download the PDF and you highlight the ones that really resonate with you and sort of read the descriptions. And some of them may just simply not resonate with you, and that's okay. And what you can do is you scroll through the video, each of the 2 videos, you can scroll through them, and I have captions in there that just tells you which rule that you're on. So you can just simply jump ahead to the rule that you want to do some work around it if it applies to you. Hands down, it's one of the really the most amazing introductory work that I had done to really figure out how my childhood trauma was related to sort of the present and the past, and it created sort of the beginnings of creating a path about how to get out of it. I hope it's just as valuable to you guys as it is to me, and I can't speak highly of it enough.